Social media has become an integral part of our lives, of course, and there are obvious benefits like keeping us connected with family and friends. But we also know that there are drawbacks, especially when it comes to teenagers and their mental health.
And here to help us explore how we can help our teens navigate the digital world and develop healthy social media habits is life coach Marlene Boaz. So good to have you here, Marlene.
Great to be here as always.
And this is a really timely topic because, of course, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. And making sure that our kids are in that right space, that right headspace is so important. We know that social media can play a very big role in that.
Right. There's been quite an increase in teenage depression in the past decade. And you know, not all of it is related to social media, but probably there's a pretty good correlation that it is. So we really have to be mindful of how we help our kids navigate it, especially coming off the pandemic when they had to do everything remotely and be attached to the screen.
Well, and the number of hours that studies show that kids in particular are on their phones or on the computer, 6 to 7 hours on social media a day. I mean, and I feel like it only amplifies. We all growing up hear negative voices, you know, maybe when we're at school or wherever. It happens. And this new technology sort of amplifies it all, magnifies it, and makes it seem even louder, right?
Oh, absolutely. And that's why it's important because, you know, as you said in the intro, there are real positive aspects to, you know, technology. But that's why you have to have a relationship with your kids where you can talk about the really pro-social, exciting things, learning all kind of things, and, you know, YouTube and Pinterest, and sort of exploring the positive stuff, as opposed to the negative stuff, the cyberbullying, the negative, you know, self-comparisons, those kind of things. And so you have to be able to have those conversations.
So let's talk about some of the signs that there is something happening with your teen or your kid. There are some contributing factors like inadequate sleep, scrolling through the night.
Right. You know, kids have their cell phones, and, you know, if they get a message or something, they'll be scrolling through. So that's really a problem because it interrupts their sleep, which interrupts their development and their mood and everything else.
Yeah, what are some of the other signs that parents need to look out for?
Well, you know, teenage years are difficult anyway. But when you talk about this influx, you have to pay attention to what they're seeing, what they're experiencing, their reactions to things. All those kinds of things matter. You know, inappropriate content. I'm kind of glad I raised my kids quite a while ago, to tell you the truth.
Right. You know, I actually just saw a post, I can't remember where it was, if it was an article, how flip phones are making a comeback. And I thought, oh my gosh, are we on the right path? This is so amazing. Bring back the flip phones. We don't have to worry about all the apps and the social media. But go ahead.
When they're absorbed in their phones, they're not exploring other things.
Exactly.
They're not getting the physical activity. Just the sort of normal tempo of life is interrupted.
So you mentioned social comparison. That's going to happen, and especially with filters. We know that this can kind of create a disillusioned idea of what we should look like. Right.
It's curated. I'm only going to put up pictures that are, you know, relatively good of myself. But we sort of get in our mind that that's what it is. Look at them. They look so good. I look so bad. And those kind of negative social comparisons. But there are some social comparisons that can be positive. If you see somebody doing something and it inspires you or motivates you to achieve that, then that can be a good thing. You want to help your kids, especially teenagers, be able to just determine which is which and how it affects how they feel.
You mentioned discussing and asking them about how they feel and really sort of delving into it, but you also talk about setting limits involving it and getting them involved in things outside of their phone.
That's right. And you know, if you have a 15-year-old and you're going to start these discussions now, you have to be really, really delicate. That's why start the discussions early with younger children, as soon as they sort of have access to technology. Have them become aware of how things affect them. We know as adults what we watch or how much media we consume affects us. And it's hard for us to determine, oh, I'm going to turn that off, you know? So with kids, start early so they can...
You're all getting flip phones. It's a solution. Thank you, Marlene.
As always, we love talking to you, Marlene. Thank you.